A common saying goes, the hardest person to forget is the one who still owes you money. But for some borrowers, unpaid debts have turned into a nightmare. Escalating into threats and harassment, several complaints reached the Senate. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian revealed that scamming people into taking loans has become as easy as sending us text messages. However, he said that once a borrower fails to pay on time, they are bombarded with threats and verbal abuse. Senator Gatchalian also pointed out how simple it is to set up the online lending applications, making it easier for predatory lenders to operate. In response, the Senate is intensifying its investigation into these abusive practices.
Meron ho kaming reports na pinapadalan po ng corona ng patay, pinapadalan po ng bala, para ho puwersahin na magbayad.
Although naniniwala pa rin ako na dapat ang utang kailangang bayaran. Of course. Pero merong mga pamamaraan naman para maningil ang pinagkakautangan. Hindi yung dadaan natin sa parang dahas.
Meron po, sir, na
Meron?
Opo, meron pong isang department na in charge doon sa
akala ko.
nakikipag-coordinate sa PAOK po at saka NBI.